Welcome to the Chic Show. Today I have some easy thrift flips using baskets. This video is part of the 5 under $5 monthly playlist. For this project, I found this basket at a thrift store for $4 and I got it half price, so I only paid $2 for it. I'm also going to be using one of these wood planks from Walmart. I'm going to be using Waverly chalk paint and ink to cover the front and the sides of the plank. Once the paint dries, I'm going to give it a coat of clear wax. The wax will seal in the black paint so that when I go to distress it in a few minutes, the black paint will still show through. Now that it's dry, I'm using my candle wax to rub along the edges as well as on top of the plank so that I can distress it. I'll cover it with some Waverly white chalk paint, and when I go to sand it, once the paint is dry, that wax will keep it from adhering to the black paint so that the black paint will show through. And I'm going to lightly sand the edges and the top of the plank. I'm going to be adding an IOD transfer to the plank, but you could use any transfer from Dollar Tree or anywhere else. I did drill 4 holes in each of the corners of the plank so that I can tie it to the basket. This way, if I want to change it later, I can just take it off. I added a small draping plant to the bottom, and it's perfect to hang on the wall or prop up on a shelf. I got this basket for $2 at a local thrift shop, and I'm going to take it outside and give it a coat of gray spray paint. Once it's dry, I'm going to bring it back inside and I'm going to dry brush white Waverly chalk paint all over. I love this look already, and we're not even finished yet. Now I'm going to do the same thing with some Waverly Antique Wax. The antique wax just dirties it up a bit and makes it look a little more aged. I love this look. What do you think? For this project, I'm going to be marrying together 3 thrifted pieces. I'm starting with this basket, and then I got a bag of these. I think they go on the end of a curtain rod, but I got a whole bag of these for $1, and then I had this random wood piece that I took off another candle holder. So I'm going to remove the screw from one end of this wood piece. And because this piece won't sit flat, I'm going to be using this other piece off a candle holder. So I'm going to screw it into that piece, and then I'm going to screw it into the basket. Now this is cute like it is, but I'm going to take it outside and give it a coat of matte black spray paint. Now that it's spray painted, it looks almost more like metal, and it's perfect for holding hand towels by my kitchen sink. My fourth project today is this basket I got for 95 cents, and I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree mirrored candle plate in the center of it. I wish I had a larger mirror, but this is what I had on hand, so I'm just going to hot glue it and adhere it to the middle of that basket. This is the perfect addition to my basket wall. The last basket DIY today is simple and quick. I'm using this candlestick from Goodwill for $2.99, and this basket I got at a different thrift store for 95 cents. I'm going to simply adhere them together, and this will make a cute little riser. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks again to Missy, Emily, and Aaron for hosting today's playlist. Be sure and check out their channels. They are listed in the description box below. And also, I hope that you'll watch the playlist to get a lot of thrift flip ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Share the chic. Bye now.